Good morning, student. Today we are discussing about the vitamins. So, in our previous lecture, we are discussing about the vitamin B1, vitamin B2, vitamin B3. Today we are discussing the uh, vitamin B5, that is the pantothenic acid. Is a part of coenzyme and needed for energy production as well as glucose and the cholesterol synthesis. Then deficiency of this vitamin B5 can result in fatigue, then retarded the growth, and in severe case leads to anemia. Also, that this vitamin B5 is a part of coenzyme of vitamin A. It reduces the stress, prevent the tiredness, and then necessary for the formation of the glycogen, fatty acids, steroids, hormones. Then sources for this vitamin B5 is the whole grains and vegetables, eggs, liver, heart, yeast. Functions of this vitamin B5 in the biosynthesis of the corticosteroids. Then deficiency leads to the vomiting and tumors of the ostrich hand. Then sources are rich in liver, wheat germ, rice polishing, and dried yeast, whole cereals, legumes, nuts, and the oil seeds. Then animal source is the vitamin B6 is the essential for the synthesis of the breakdown of amino acids. It helps in the conversion of tryptophan to niacin, then conversion of linoleic acid to arachidonic acid, then needed for the synthesis of the heme, then helps in the production of the antibodies. The deficiency, the hypochromic anemia, because of the hemoglobin is not synthesized, red blood cells are pale in color. Then seborrhea like skin lesions around the eyes and the nose. The children develops the nervous irritability and the convulsions. The food source is available in dried yeast, wheat germ, rice polishing, liver are the rich source. Then, in case of this animal source, there's milk, skim milk, whole grain cereals, then nuts, soybean, and the groundnuts. Here is the shows the deficiency of the vitamin this B5, then B6, the normal amount of the red blood cells, and the anemic amount of these red blood cells. Then vitamin B12. Vitamin B12 is also known as the cobalamin. They consist of the four pyrrole rings with a calcium is a coenzymes for the enzymes that transfer the methyl groups and the produces the red blood cells. Deficiency can lead to the pernicious anemia and the nerve damage. The functions, it promotes the maturation of the red blood cells. It is involved in the formation of the white blood cells and the platelets. It acts as a coenzymes in the synthesis of the methionine. It cooperates the folic acids and the synthesis of DNA. Its biochemical role is the synthesis of fatty acids in the myelin. Then deficiency, the person appears well nourished with respect to body weight. Skin and the eyes are the pale. Tongue is raw and the red. Mouth ulcer. Numbness, tingling sensation in the fingers as nervous system is affected. Then hemoglobin fall. Then may the megaloblastic anemia seen in the strict vegetarian persons. What is meant by this megaloblastic anemia is the condition in which the bone marrow produces unusually large structurally abnormal immature red blood cells. Bone marrow, the soft spongy material found inside the certain bones, produces the main blood cells of the body, red cells, white cells, and the platelets. Here is the normal anemia structure, and this is the megaloblastic anemia structure. The food source vitamin B12 can be found only in a foods of the animal origin. such as meats, liver, kidney, fish, eggs, milk, and the milk products. Oyster, shellfish, some fortified foods may also contain the vitamin B12. Thank you.